Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're working on the 2007 Chevy Avalanche. Now this will be the same if you have a Yukon, Tahoe, Silverado, Sierra, or the Avalanche from 2007 to 2013. And if you have bucket seats up front. So if you have this console, guys, and it's bad, I have a video on how to replace this and the link to get it for under $50. So that's pretty nice. But if you've ever been in this thing, it's a gigantic hole with no type of separator. And so I found this cool one on the Zon right here, and it even came with the little rubber tray inserts so stuff won't rattle. Probably won't use the coin inserts. Most people don't have coins anymore. But this allows you to drop that in there, guys, and have 2 stages of storage in this console. Again, there are holes underneath these pads if you want to run a charging wire up because there is a charge port down there. But, I mean, you can't beat that. Now you have 2 layers of storage, a good place to put stuff really easily versus having to go into the cavern. This has 3 little dividers plus the coins and the little rubber mats. Under 20 bucks, you can't beat it. So then you got your extra storage. And this era of GM truck really didn't have a ton of storage in it. The door pockets are fairly small. Again, the console is gigantic, but usually end up just being a sea and a pile of stuff in there. This does have a CD player for this era, so you could even put your CDs in there now and keep your other stuff that you use more often, like sunglasses and whatnot, easily accessible. So again, I will link that down below in the description so you can head over to the Zon and snag that for this era. Again, if you see anything on this truck, I might have done it, so go to the channel, subscribe, and check out, type in the search bar, and see what other improvements you can do to your older GM ride.